If you're an entrepreneur with a big vision and a rock solid value proposition, and you're sick and tired of these seasons of flat sales results struggling for growth, man, this video is for you. 23 years into this life of entrepreneurship and servant selling, man, I've had these seasons where everything's been flat. And what I've realized during those seasons is that I've been so obsessed about working in the business that just obsessive commitment to the grind was preventing me from understanding all the incorrect steps that I was taking along the way, stunting my sales growth. And so in that, I've come to realize that the single most important thing that I can do consistently and predictably is slow down. Slow down. And in slowing down, the first thing I do is schedule time to work on the business. Man, this is a great time to pull in your team, pull in the vision, the value proposition, ensure that there's alignment around anything and everything that you're obsessed about being great at. Talk about the things that are going good, that are not going good. Talk about things we should start doing, stop doing, or triple down and continue doing more of. Man, that builds so much team loyalty and bonding that when you get back to the grind, you get back to work, man, it's like a time to reset, refresh, re-energize everybody. The second thing I like to do when I slow down and work on the business is I like to get granular around our ideal client profile or customer, where we can find those people, and then what's that competitive landscape look like? Our people have to be prepared to enter into those environments in pursuit of the ideal customer that we're looking to serve and add value to. So taking time to get granular on that and aligned sets us up for even more success in the future. The last thing I really enjoy consistently doing is just looking at the data. To me, the data says everything about our level of commitment, our attitude, and our effort towards being an organization of excellence. Here's where we measure things like favorable introductions. How many meetings did we book? How many were kept? And are our customers and clients, are they moving forward in our client experience? Taking a second to look at that tells us a lot about what that client experience looks like and if our people are set up for success by taking and navigating our prospects through it. So again, I said a lot, but at the end of the day, the single most important thing you need to take away from this conversation is it's okay to slow down. It's okay to slow down. Everyone deserves a moment to step out of the business and take a macro view on micro things. Think about like that timeout in the fourth quarter when you're driving down 80 yards and it's 4th and goal. What does the coach do? He calls a timeout. Taking a second to slow down and ensure that you are positioned for long-term success is the simplest, most predictable way to shorten the seasons of flat sales results and guarantee yourself and your entire organization a future of just awesome, energized, enthusiastic growth, serving others, adding value, solving problems. I hope you found something helpful in our conversation today. At the end of the day, we're all living an imperfect journey, but a commitment to excellence. So let's get better together.